Join me as I dive into some mind-blowing facts about the human body and challenge myself to see how many surprising implications I can uncover. Understanding our bodies can be both fascinating and beneficial. It's incredible to think about how much goes on beneath the surface, and how much we still have to learn about ourselves. By exploring the intricacies of the human body, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the amazing machine that we call home. Many people believe they know their bodies pretty well, but the truth is, there are many misconceptions about how we function. For example, did you know that we don't actually use only 10% of our brains? It's a common myth that's been debunked by scientists, but it still persists in popular culture. Another myth is that we swallow 8 spiders a year in our sleep. Sorry, but that's just not true. In reality, spiders aren't that interested in crawling into our mouths, and we're not exactly on their menu. There's also the myth that we lose 90% of our body heat through our heads. While it's true that we do lose some heat through our heads, the 90% figure is a gross exaggeration. And then there's the old wives' tale that says cracking your knuckles will give you arthritis. It might be annoying to others, but it's not going to cause long-term damage. By recognizing these misconceptions, we can clear the way for a better understanding of our bodies and how they really work. Let's get to some amazing facts about the human body. One of the most mind-blowing things about us is the heart. Did you know that it beats around 3 billion times in a person's lifetime? That's equivalent to pumping over 1.5 million barrels of blood. And yet, the heart is so efficient that it can pump blood through the entire body in just 20 seconds. That's faster than you can say cardiovascular system. Another incredible fact is that the human brain uses 20% of our daily calorie intake, despite only making up about 2% of our body mass. It's like having a supercomputer in your head that's constantly running in the background. And then there's the amazing fact that our noses can detect over 1 trillion different scents. That's more than the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. But one of the most surprising facts about the human body is that we have an entire ecosystem living inside us. Yes, you heard that right, an ecosystem. There are trillions of microorganisms living in our gut, on our skin, and even in our mouths. And these tiny critters play a crucial role in keeping us healthy and happy. For example, they help us digest food, regulate our immune systems, and even produce certain vitamins. It's a symbiotic relationship that's essential to our well-being, and it challenges our traditional view of what it means to be human. The implications of this finding are huge. It means that our bodies are not just individual entities, but rather complex systems that are deeply connected to the world around us. It also means that our health is intimately tied to the health of these microorganisms. So, the next time you're feeling under the weather, spare a thought for your tiny tenants and the crucial role they play in keeping you alive. To recap, today we've explored some common misconceptions about the human body, delved into some amazing facts about how we function, and uncovered some surprising implications of these facts. It's been a wild ride, and I hope you've learned as much as I have. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment with your favorite body fact. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on the human body and its many wonders. See you in the next one.
जब भेट भयो पहिलो पल्ट हाम्रो आँखा जुठ्यो अनायास त्यही क्षणमा माया फुल्यो तिमी परी